The last chapter in the Jack in the Box breakfast adventure novel. 2 breakfast sandwiches. Will it tie the loose ends in the plot?
Are you guys ready? There was a boy with a great opinion after opinion. He's ready.
First off, the extreme sausage breakfast sandwich. They have their bakery bun with a line through it. A sausage, some cheese, grilled egg, another sausage, and more cheese. Fascinating proposition. Dig in and see, shall we? Double sausage. This might be my favorite so far. 2 breakfast sausages, sandwiching a fried cracked egg. Right now for Jack in the Box breakfast, it's a tie between extreme sausage breakfast sandwich and loaded breakfast sandwich I had the other last time. Those are tied for my favorite. And for the nightcap, the ultimate breakfast sandwich, Jack in the Box. Bakery bun with a line through it, some bacon, some ham, some 2 eggs, cheese, and you're amongst trees. Apologize for the clueless wild guy working out right next to me. It's pretty annoying. So, it's overall good and solid. I don't like it as much as the sausage one. My opinion's affected having it right after that. I think the go-to would be to get the bacon and ham from this added to the extreme sausage. That would be the ultimate breakfast sandwich. I'm gonna give that 3 out of 4 stars. The last one was a good sandwich. I might have liked it better if I had it in a different order. It was overall good. Bacon and ham and buttery buns, but the extreme sausage was my favorite of all their breakfast items. The double sausage with the egg in the middle was an extreme position, and I give that 3.5 out of 4 stars. Tied with the, I think my breakfast items in the box, I would have maybe the breakfast biscuits at the bottom were good, but I preferred that biscuits as an accessory to a plate of breakfast. Then would probably be the jumbo platter, which was good again, but I could get that kind of diner food better in a diner, I think. Then I would go the breakfast jacks, which was good, but the oil of the buns didn't sit with me as well. They were good, but then I would go the breakfast, the sandwich I just had there with the bacon and ham, which was really good, the ultimate breakfast sandwich. Then I would go the breakfast croissant, where you could do the ultimate breakfast croissant or the sausage breakfast croissant, and I combined them into one, and that was my third place with 3.5 stars. And then my top two tie was the ultimate, was the extreme sausage sandwich, which I just had, and the loaded breakfast sandwich. Those two are my favorite. Those are really good.